Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify customer engagement with Constant Contact, full guide step by step clearly. To verify customer engagement with Constant Contact, begin by logging into your Constant Contact account. Navigate to the email section in the main dashboard. Select the specific email campaign you wish to analyze. Click on the Reports tab associated with that campaign. Review the overview page to see key engagement metrics. Here, you will find open rates, click rates, and bounce rates. To dive deeper, examine the Email Analytics section. Focus on the opens metric to assess how many recipients opened your email. Next, analyze the clicks metric to understand which links were most popular. Look for trends, such as the best time and day for engagement. Utilize geographic data to see where your engaged customers are located. If applicable, compare these metrics against previous campaigns for context. For a more detailed analysis, download the report for in-depth insights. Export the data as a CSV file if you need to share it with your team. Remember to regularly revisit these reports to track changes in customer engagement. Use these insights to tailor future campaigns for better performance. Implementing A/B testing can also enhance engagement strategies based on findings. Continuously optimize your content and strategy based on the metrics you gather. Stay updated with Constant Contact's resources for the latest engagement tips and tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.